Gentlemen, I'm going to be doing a little live trade here. Okay, I'm recording this. I'm going to edit it up, try and take a trade live here to make a good video. So right now, um, the market is had the big dump in the overnight in the pre-market session. I mean, took out some major liquidity pools, also bounced off of this key support area with it, and then we got a strong reaction to the upside. Okay, on the low time frames, it seems we are putting in higher lows, and looks like we had a big rejection from the supply zone, but I think we're gonna hold this low. This is gonna be another higher low, and we're gonna have another move back up. At least just a little pump. Maybe we end up coming down rejecting, but right now I'm looking for um, this fair value gap to hold right here because it took out liquidity. It's coming off a bigger order block, um, and I'm simply gonna look, nice order block here, higher low. I think we're gonna hold, have a push up, at least a little push to give me some nice profits. Okay, so um, that is what I'm looking for right now. Draw this out. I'm gonna look for either a push out of here and a little bull flag on the 1 minute, or straight up candle rejections with some nice volume depending on how we get. Let's see, if we don't hold this and we make a low here and we close below this low, then I'll look to take shorts because it's invalidating my long theory. So see this 15-minute candle, if this rolls over, turns red, big shooting star candle, then I think we're gonna probably make a move down to here at least. So that is what I'll be watching for. Okay, right now, if we get this bounce with some good volume, look to play a quick long, maybe just right up to this high, maybe up to this little resistance pivot point. All right, so we're gonna keep a close eye on that, and then just to show you how I trade and how to adapt to the market conditions. If we invalidate this for value gap, make a low here. It is also just about power hour too. It's 2:58 Eastern time, so hopefully get some volatility into the market here, power hour. Let's see, it looks like we're not really respecting this, but the good thing about it also lines up with this, like I said, this order block and this just general pivot area with some support, or resistance now turned support. So I'm gonna give it a try if we get that reaction. If not, I'm gonna probably look to take it short down into this little demand area. Should act as a draw, like a magnet. Okay. And I'm seeing here now in the 1 minute we have a little order block here that could act as our another little confluence, and we're just gonna look for some good volume coming in. Right now we're getting some growing buying volume. That's a good sign. Maybe not. See that's what I like to see down here. The volume grow as we're getting a candlestick rejection. Okay, a nice rejection right now. That's 6 points. Move this. Okay, we got 30 seconds for this candle to close. If it closes like this, with this nice increase in volume, I'm going to be taking this along. Okay. Give it another 20 seconds here. So 6 times 50 would be about 300. So I would want to risk it just one contract to try and scale in with some micros. Okay, let's ride. 5 seconds. Let's ride. I'm going to buy right here. Okay, if we get a little bit pullback, then I'm going to get me to full size. We're taking off already. I probably should have just went full size right there. Tight stop. We're going to have stops right here. For now, I'm just going to look for a quick move into this high. I mean, that's still a 2-to-1 right there if we get that high, so wouldn't be too upset with that. I just wish I went full size. Let's put my stop right here. We have 5. Stop still 5. So yeah, I'm not even going to make much, maybe like 250. If we get up here, look for this candle close, another one to dip down right here, maybe into this fair value gap to add. Alright. I'm just going to keep the recording going, try and edit this up. I'm not good at editing. And as long as, see, that's not what we like to see. But I'm still not worried about it. Alright, here we go. We're gonna add here. We're gonna add. Let's start with 3. And we'll add our final 2, I guess, if we come a bit lower. Let's see. Add right there. So we're in with just about one full contract. All right, 9. I think that's the best we're gonna do. I'm liking the way this candle looks. Let's see if the volume's starting to grow. That's good. Just looking for a quick pop. Now that we have our scaled in, we have a better risk to reward now. Our average is probably say right here. And we're getting a nice rejection so far. I'm gonna put this to 9 now. Stop sell 4 down here. Alright, we're just in now. We're gonna ride it. If it comes down here again, I'm not gonna add because I don't know. I don't like the way that. Yeah, we shouldn't come down there again. Okay, wow, this is moving very quickly. I'm just gonna take profit at this high now. It could end up going all the way up here, which would be ideal. But I've had a little back and forth day, so I just want to secure some profits. If we come up here, just close right there. It's still solid 2 to 1, but this is not looking good. Growing selling volume. Is there any fair value gap that we're pushing out? No, it looks decent. It's also sort of this little 5-minute little 2 candles, and it's trying to make that bull flag on a 5-minute. So just gonna look to quick profits up here. 2.6. See if I can secure that. It's fine. A little scalp. It's good risk to reward. Let's just go ahead and put my thing right here. Stop by. What do we got? 9. Let's do 5. And stop by 4. Okay. I'm not gonna stop the recording, but I'm gonna probably edit this up and just get back to you when the trade either hit stop loss or take profit, or if I end up seeing something I don't like and getting out early or for a break even or whatever. All right, but for now we're just gonna let it ride. All right, new 5-minute candle open. We're seeing some continuation. That's a good sign. That's not a good sign. These wicks to the upside. But it's just another, what, 4-3, 7 points. I mean, in these market conditions, that's nothing nowadays, you know. Okay, so because of these wicks we're getting, these upside wicks, right? These are 2 little rejection candles with some increasing selling volume. I'm gonna go break even here, because we already filled this 1-minute fair value gap. So if the trade is going to work out and keep moving up, I don't think it's going to come back down to this area and then bounce. Like if it comes down here, like to my break-even level, where this fair value gap was on the 1-minute, it's probably just going to not work out. So I'm going to put my stop here to break even. Okay, that's good there. Now we let it ride. It looks like it's trying to maybe form a little bull flag here. 2 little consolidation candles, and then maybe we'll get some nice follow through like that. Just looking for a push right up into here, like I stated. And it should be looking good. 250, I'll probably make about 300, 350, which is not bad. Not great, but not bad. Oh, maybe more than that, maybe a 400 or so. See, that's not good. That's what I was worried about. That's why I went break even. We can some aggressive selling. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out here. Might be all she wrote, folks. So buyers want to defend this. Don't think they do. See, that's a large aggressive selling candle. But I honestly do like this. I want to just give it a couple pips, a couple points. Just a little bit of breathing room. Okay, now this could just be a bull flag. We could have another engulfing, like same size candle right up here. If we close there, that'll be looking good. But for now, not looking too hot, fellas. Just watch it here. Just need the buyers to bounce back, give a good response like they're doing right now. If we could close somewhere near the start of this red candle, then that is, I'll be confident still in this trade. Buyers are showing they're responding pretty quickly. That's a good sign. Just need to push up a little bit more here. 30 seconds. They're fighting. They are fighting. Hold the line, buyers. Come on. Hold the line, boys. Hold the line. Where's my stop? We might just be starting to form a little flag here, a little bull flag, which I might, if I get stopped out, I might re-enter if we do form a flag and then break out of it. See that big selling volume? That's not a good sign. Where's my stop exactly? 39.75. So we just need this quick push up. It does look like it's trying to form a flag, so that's a good sign as long as it doesn't come with me. I might honestly put my stop back to its original place just because we are forming this flag. It could just come right here, flag, and then break out. Nothing yet though. It depends on how this candle reacts. Should hold right here. If the trade is going to work out, it should hold right here. That's life. Yeah, that's a good wick there. Come on, buyers, respond. Let's go, boys. Come on, bulls. Might have to give my good friend Jerome Powell a call. Yeah, Jerome. Yeah, I just want to see this get up here to the 550s. That'd be nice. I have my stop like 3 points below price right now. If you could just hold it right here, please, and just send it up real quick for a quick move up, I'd appreciate that. Okay. All right. Thanks, Jerome. Yeah, he said he'll take care of it, but sometimes he's been twisting my dick lately. I don't know if he's gonna help me out here, but we are getting the nice flag. That's a good sign. If we close out of that trend line there, that should be looking real good. Some more increasing buying volume, that's a good sign. 30 seconds here. If this candle closes up here how it's sitting now, we should be looking real good, but this is just a nice looking bull flag. There we go. That's a nice push. Let's see it, Jerome. Come on. Do it for the boy. Oh yeah, big buying volume coming in. That's a great sign. A couple more points here. We're going to just close it out at that high. Up 300. Just make that final push. This candle is going to open here 2 seconds and should rocket up to that high. Or maybe we hold, form a fair value gap, touch this fair value gap, and then finish the move up. But looking good so far. I'm going to close here just any second now. Let it go. Because there is a potential, this is a resistance that could potentially knock us off here. So I'm going to close one more little push. What? 2 points, 1 point. Go ahead, Jerome. Send it up. Oh, should I just close? These are times where I mean, yeah, we're gonna probably just close right now. Yeah, 400. That's good. See, still a little 2-1, so nothing to be upset about now. That's 400, just under 400 on the day, which I'm fine with. Like I said, there is a chance this acts as resistance because it has been a major pivot point over here, and then it was support, and then resistance, and resistance. So there is a chance sellers step in with all these buyers that are buying this breakout and send it down. But either way, I would, if I held to my actual TP there, I would have made an extra, what, 30 bucks, 40 bucks, which I don't care about. Just trying to lock up quick profits. If I could make, right now I've been making around 400 to 500 a day, which that's good. I'm happy with that. So, yeah, I mean, that's really the end of the video here, guys. I guess I could wait a sec to see if we're going to have that push. Like I said, maybe an extra 40, 50 bucks. Not the end of the world. But as you see here with that rejection candle, we got some big selling volume. Just for the sake of the video, I'll let it go here for another minute or two or 30 seconds. Like, it depends what happened. And like I said, if I was having a higher take profit, like up here, right? This was a back and forth day for me, so I just wanted to secure some profits. Now I'll be done for the day. But see, there we go. There's that nice one. So that's just a good trade, and that's just how I trade. I'm really big on reading the market through different time frames, right? Don't get caught up on the 1 minute. You know, we had this big dip down. I've been bullish ever since, forming higher lows. This one's coming out of a support level and a order block pushing up. On top of that, we then go on the 5 minute and we create a nice fair value gap level. that lines up with this support level, and then we get a nice bullish candlestick with increasing volume. If I missed this entry, then I could have taken this entry right here on the bull flag. That's one of my big plays, taking bull flags that are bull flags or bear flags coming off of a key level that I might not want to market order in on straight up off a rejection. But yeah, as you can see, 2 to 1, a greater than 2 to 1 risk to rewards, which is always going to be good enough for me. So thanks for tuning in, guys. That's how I trade. That's a little live trade, a little different video. And yeah, subscribe, boys. Let's go. And I'm probably done for the day. No, I'm done for the day. I get payout, I think, tomorrow. Or I mean, one more winning day and I get payout. So, which I'm probably not even going to take one. I'm going to build a bit more of a buffer. But still, 1,700 on the week, or 1,700 starting Friday. So Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 1,700. So that's pretty good 4 days for me. So yeah, and like, subscribe, and that's all.